In this video, what I'm gonna do is unbox the Moto G Play 2024. Now, this is a Boost Mobile variant, if you want to call it that. It's the same phone, it just means that it's locked into Boost Mobile. I got this at a Best Buy and I paid about $60 for it. Definitely a steal. Pretty much it's a branded phone, so you have to be on a certain amount of service before they'll unlock the phone. 90-inch display, immersive stereo sound, 50 megabyte quad pixel camera, gives you built-in storage, sleek design, and it also has a fingerprint unlock, and I think also it does do camera unlock with your face. So again, this kind of a little different wise packaging than, you know, looking at probably other carriers. You're probably going to get this phone in a packaging like this. All right, on that note, let's see if we can open this puppy up just by pulling this tab here without any, hopefully, cameras or anything. Yeah, let's do it. I think we got it. All right, I know usually I'm pretty more savvy about trying to save the boxes, but when they're giving us this type of box, there's no other way of doing it. All right, any little tricks if you guys don't have a knife or anything? SIM ejector tool is awesome for opening up boxes. All right, so same deal, we're just gonna slide this out here, we're gonna slide this here. Regulation fees here, all of the stuff, that contents that should be in the box. We already know this, right? That has your information about the phone. You got your Moto here, you got the box here, and Hello Moto there, and it actually has 2 tabs. So I kind of like this rendition of this box. I like the fact that Boost Mobile didn't just like throw it into anything else, that Motorola especially designed this box for this phone. So let's open up this thing, man. Let's see what we got here. All right. We have an A USB, and you do have your USB-C in there. When looking at the Samsung A15, man, we got USB-C, a nice fast cable. All right, so same deal here. It's wrapped in paper. Most phones from 2022 all have the paper wrap to save on plastic. Same deal with the box, right? All right, other things here. We got a regulatory spacer, and same deal from like the other Motorola phone. This here is just giving us safety information. We don't even get a manual for the phone, and same thing, we get a SIM ejector tool, just spacing on the phone itself. So I mean, that's pretty cool there. I do appreciate it. Paper wrap here. Now I'm going to be a little more careful with the paper wrap, just in case. Never know. I know I'm more meticulous about this stuff here. Best Buy is not too bad if I had to return stuff. And just going in here and actually feeling this phone. Oh, maybe I can just slide it out. Yeah, there we go. Slide it out and not even cause the paper to be wrapped. Actually feeling this phone, definitely has got a plastic back. Probably plastic on the side there. And really just pulling this out of the way and move this SIM card ejector tool and thing in the box. Please beg differ with me, guys. Thanks if you're still watching. I do appreciate it. If you are still watching, look, I'm on a mission to get myself starting to earn some money through our lovely YouTube. So please, guys, if you haven't already and you're new to this channel, subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm going to try and do the best that I can to offer value to you guys and hopefully help you make your decision when purchasing phones. All right, so if we're looking at the Motorola G Play, right, this is 2024. Obviously, we got a difference here, but these phones kind of look very similar, right? This has the vegan leather, so I'm kind of like they're making it more of a premium type of phone, where this here just has that plastic back. All plastic phones, both of them. Again, probably the biggest difference here, if we're going to really go with it, this has 128 gigabytes of storage. Phone here, $150, right? Through Motorola's website, unlocked, nice. This here, I know through T-Mobile, it was about $230 if you outright pay for it, or you can get it for free. This currently is not on T-Mobile's network if you're gonna buy it, but you could use it on T-Mobile's network. No doubt, they're just not offering it at the moment. This here though is definitely a free phone, a little more storage, same battery, probably even same phone. Difference is with this phone here, 128 hertz screen, so it's got a little more refresh rate on the phone itself, where this here is got 90 hertz screen. Again, decent screen for this. Feeling the phone compared to this one, it's much lighter. Let's see if I can get this opened up and turned on without yeah, there we go, we got it turned on. Again, they're very similar phones. If we're gonna go into here, we have our microphone, we have our USB-C, we have our lovely first speaker. On this side here, we have a power button and a fingerprint sensor, your volume down and up rocker. On the top, you have another microphone as well as a headphone, right? Lovely headphone jack. Right here, you have your SIM card tray, which we'll get into this a little later. Hopefully they have some extra storage on that. Maybe in another video, I'll show you guys. So going in here, we have our lovely display, the 90 hertz. And from there, I'm just gonna stop us here. We have our, what is that? The little hole punch camera, and probably the other speakers built in here, because it did say it was stereo speaker. And really looking at this phone, it's a fairly light phone. For the price, I think $150, I think you're definitely gonna get you know, your money's worth if you were to buy this unlocked. Other thing I'm noticing, this is not a camera, that's an LED, guys. So the flashlight's here. You have a dual pixel 50 megapixel camera right in here, so probably gonna have a macro and also just that regular camera in there. Again, just one thing that I'm stating, probably no NFC in this, as well as no wireless charging. Well, what I'll do is in my next video, we'll go over what the Motorola G Play can offer, as well as any of the features in there. And I'm also going to do a comparison video of these two phones. So please stick around, put that alarm little thingy once you subscribe on my channel, so you'll see my next video. And guys, thank you very much. This is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.